bit like of a makeup tutorial. I'm not really gonna call it a tutorial, I'm just gonna call it me messing around with makeup. I have this friend from elementary school that talked about doing a specific look a while back for like Instagram purposes, and I was like, I'm totally gonna do that. So I decided to make a video out of it, and I bought makeup specifically for this, so it better be fun at least. I generally don't wear a ton of makeup. I mean, I'm already wearing foundation right now, and I did my eyebrows. It's probably obvious, but just gonna throw it out there anyway. I don't really wear eyeshadow much, so I have a bit of eyeshadow, but it's mostly like natural colors, and this thing is gonna be like oceanic, like dramatic, you know? So I bought makeup just for this. I already put on the foundation and all that jazz. In case you want to see how I do it, I'm gonna put in a clip right now. I do my foundation in 3 steps. I mean, I have foundation and then concealer and then more foundation. I do it like that because a while back, CoverGirl had this like 3-step thing that was the liquid foundation and then concealer and then the powder foundation, and I've just continued doing that because it just seems to work really well for me. So that's what I do. And also when I do my eyebrows, I just fill in what's already there. I don't like making a shape and then filling that in. It's so fake to me. So maybe my eyebrows look weird. I don't know, but that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna get to it with this now. And so I didn't get like expensive makeup because I don't use it very often. This eyeshadow, LA Colors, and it's just blues and blacks. It's called the Supernatural palette. This one's also LA Colors. This is Lotus. And then I got navy eyeliner. I'm probably also going to be using a little bit of this palette. This is the Color Workshop, and it's called Smoky. It's a little tin. So I'm probably going to be using like some of the whites, maybe some of like the pinks in that. And I also have stage makeup, which is for like prosthetics and like really just like crazy stuff. I usually use it for like zombie stuff because I have a bizarre obsession with zombies. Where is it? I have a bunch of it. Oh no, this is glow in the dark. There we go. Cream makeup. Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Just put that on face. Anyway, this just says cream makeup. I got this on Amazon like forever ago, but this is by Ruby's. There's like a tiny little clown that's like doing some weird thing. Let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. I've never done this before. Let's do it. terrible. What is that? What is that? That's so bad. It actually looks a lot better on camera than it does in person, honestly. I should be able to fix it, but like, what? Well, I'm gonna call this a win, to be honest, because from back here, it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks pretty nice. Nice, wave completed, achieved, and little birdies, yay! The only thing that I would do differently is probably just curling my hair. Actually, when I did this, it like did it by itself. Oh well, there it is. So this has been makeup experiments and tutorials with Susie. Catch you next time. No, but in all seriousness, this has been super fun, and like I said, I've never really done something like this before. I just kind of like live my life, I don't know. So if you guys want another one of these videos or something strange, I promise my zombie makeup is better. Look, there's a picture of it right here somewhere. Then I'll do another one. Leave a like and a comment, let me know. And if you want another one, cool, I'll see you next time. And if you don't, then we'll do something else. It's fine, it's fine. I just had to get this with my glasses. I think it looks super cute and honestly a lot better with my glasses. Probably because it's actually terrible. But like I said, from far away, I still like it. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Maybe, should I put on mascara? Oh my goodness. I put on mascara and I did a little bit of the navy blue eyeliner on the tops of my lids. And I think it looks cleaner a little bit. I like it. It's definitely not good makeup. I've seen so much better makeup ideas on YouTube, so I don't expect any praise for this, but I had fun, and that is the point of having a vlog, is having fun. So, sorry, not sorry, but it looks nice, it's fun. Here, let's put on my glasses. What a nerd. So if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know by liking or commenting below, and I'll do another one. I promise my zombie makeup is better. Like I said, I don't really do like this kind of makeup very often. I don't really do like dramatic stuff. I do really good smoky eyes, but I don't do like this kind of stuff very well, obviously. But I wanted to try it, like I said, and I really enjoyed it. So I hope you did too. And if you did, cool. And if you didn't, cool. But either way, I'll see you next time. Bye.